Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan, the recipient CEO, Lautoka City Council, members of the media, peers and staffs of Ministry. At the outset, I would like to welcome Your Excellency to the conference hall of Ministry for Local Government. Today is yet another historical day for Lautoka City Council, and I think it is fitting that the arrangement that has been made between Lautoka City Council and Government of Japan in terms of this compactor truck, because at this point in time we have real issue as far as littering is concerned, and for us, for government, it's really an issue that we have been working on. And apart from this truck that will be donated to Lautoka City Council, we have organized skip bins for settlements and villages. So my team from Ministry of Environment will be organizing meetings with the villages and the settlements, and will form a committee. And that committee will be responsible for those skip bins, and once those bins are full, they will call, we will give them a number, a common number, whereby the contractor will go and collect all those skip bins. So that will happen sometimes by end of this month. But all in all, for today's program, Your Excellency, on behalf of Government of Fiji, I would like to say thank you so much for this kind donation, and I will now ask the CEO, Lautoka City Council, to address us on this issue.
His Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, Mr. Masahiro Omura, members of the Japanese Embassy to Fiji present here today, members of the media, I take this opportunity to thank the people of Japan and the government of Japan for donating to the Lautoka City Council with a 6-ton compactor truck. The solid waste management compactor truck will add strength to Solid Waste Management Division of the Lautoka City Council. Lautoka City Council, like other municipalities in Fiji, have solid waste management activities recorded as a high, regular and demanding service. The service demands have been ever increasing in towns and cities through increasing activities and population growth. New consumption and living pattern are seen to be another major contributing factor impacting greater demand for solid waste management services. Fijian towns and cities collect and manage an estimated 63,000 tons of solid waste. Management of solid waste includes collection at source, transportation and tipping at approved sites of all forms of solid waste collected. Record shows that people of Japan through the Japan government have been very supportive of municipal councils, solid waste management, and contributed significantly in strengthening the service. For the Lautoka City Council alone, people of Japan have assisted in the upgrade of the aerobic landfill site by assisting through technical advice, providing a weighbridge and office, donating a digger, donating a multi-purpose truck and a root chipper and a shredder. One of the most significant projects have been the Lautoka 93R project, through which the councils have been able to effectively introduce and implement 3R solid waste management projects. Other municipal councils have noted to be receiving progressive support from the people of Japan over the last 4 years, receiving 8 volunteers, mostly in environment management, and 5 solid waste compactor trucks. The J-Prism projects have been work in progress. Another local municipal forum in 2018 to be held later during the month will discuss and agree on the way forward in effectively implementing the J-Prism program in partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. The ministry does accept that there is more is needed to effectively manage solid waste management programs in towns and cities. During the fiscal year, 6 solid waste compactor trucks have been planned to be purchased to support towns and city councils' solid waste management services. Lead Act have been strengthened to ensure effective enforcement. The local government ministry team is closely working with the municipal councils in number one, eradicating illegal dumping spots. Number 2, strengthening e-goods and white services and green waste collection programs. Number 3, significantly reducing littering in towns and cities. To support the above, quarterly free collections of Fijian Municipal Council would continue. With a range of support provided by government and donor agencies, it is important that our citizenry take pride and join us in driving cleaner towns and cities. Your support as some citizens is greatly important, and we see you as the biggest partners in driving clean and green concepts across towns and cities. As citizens, please stay in touch with the municipal health and environmental inspectors on solid waste management, assistance, and render possible supports needed. Finally, a big thank you once again to the government of Japan for the kind donations. We now live on. God bless you.
The Honorable Praveen Kumar Bala, Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Mr. John Nakauvandra, Chief Executive Officer, Lautoka City Council. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Velavinaka, namaste. I wish to extend my gratitude to the Ministry of Local Government, Housing and Environment for hosting this ceremony. Today, we have gathered here to sign the grant contract formalizing Japan's assistance to Lautoka City Council. I'm very pleased to say that the government of Japan will be providing $84,000 for the project for provision of garbage truck to Lautoka City. This project will be funded through Japan's Grant Assistance for Grassroots Human Security Projects Program, or GGP in short. The project is part of our continued commitment in assisting municipal councils in Fiji to create cleaner and healthier environment for its communities. Upon implementation, I am confident that this project will help address the difficulties faced by Lautoka City Council and assist in the accomplishment of its respective goals. I am pleased to inform you that this project is in line with Fiji government's national development objectives. Such development harmonization is the key to Japan's development cooperation with this country. At this juncture, I wish to highlight how Japan has been assisting the Pacific region in improving its waste management on the basis of 3 pillars. Namely, the first pillar is to strengthen the capacity of human resources through conducting a variety of workshops and training sessions with various participants to enhance waste management in the Pacific. The second pillar is to develop institutional systems through developing strategies or plans for institutions to efficiently improve their waste management. The third pillar is to share Japan's advanced technology and experience, such as landfill methods and 3R practices, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. It gives me great pleasure to say that since 2011, Japan implemented a regional technical cooperation project titled Promotion of Regional Institute on Solid Waste Management in Pacific Island Countries, or JPRISM in short. This project is currently ongoing. Furthermore, I am equally happy to mention that from 2008 to 2012, Japan specifically implemented a project for Fiji focusing on promotion of the 3R concept in Lautoka and Nandi. May I also add that over the years, a number of JICA volunteers have served in Fiji and the region, contributing to the development of the waste management sector. Since 1990, Japan has been providing assistance to grassroots communities in Fiji through 358 GGP projects with a total value exceeding $24 million. I wish kindly urge Lautoka City Council that upon receiving the compactor, it should exercise timely maintenance. It will ensure its longevity in serving the people of Lautoka. It is my honor to reaffirm Japan's commitment to providing continued assistance for the sustainable development of Fiji. I conclude with confidence that this project will further strengthen friendship between the people and governments of Japan and Fiji. Thank you. Vinaka Vagalevu, Dhanyavad. Congratulations.
Thank you.